Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Core Web Vitals monitoring with Search Console, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Search Console website. Log in with your Google account credentials associated with your website. Once logged in, select the property that corresponds to the website you want to monitor. In the left sidebar, find and click on Core Web Vitals. This will direct you to the Core Web Vitals report. You will see a summary of mobile and desktop performance metrics. Review the overall status of your website's Core Web Vitals. To dig deeper, click on the specific statuses such as poor, needs improvement, or good. This will display individual URLs that need attention. Click on a URL to view detailed diagnostics. Analyze any issues listed, such as LCP, FID, and CLS. Each issue will provide potential ways to improve performance. After analyzing, reference your website's design and technical elements. Implement the recommended changes on your website. Once changes are made, return to Search Console. To update your monitoring, you might need to wait for Google to recrawl your site. This typically takes a few days, so be patient. When the recrawl is complete, revisit the Core Web Vitals report. Check if the changes have improved your website's performance. Regularly monitor these metrics to maintain optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.